Found an LVD file from the discontinued LimeWire file sharing application. This contains virus definition data from LimeWire security scanning. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these LimeWire virus data files appropriately. We're tackling this LVD file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. An LVD file stores virus definitions for the LimeWire Gnutella P2P client. Users typically encounter this file when cleaning up old software installations, wondering if it's malicious or a necessary component. It was used by LimeWire's internal security features to identify and quarantine potential threats shared on the network. This file is a proprietary binary data container, likely a compressed database or flat file. It was designed for rapid loading and efficient lookup of virus signatures. The binary format prevents easy user modification and ensures the integrity of the antivirus definitions, which were periodically updated by LimeWire's servers. The designated application for the LVD file is LimeWire from LimeWire LLC. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your LVD file and click Open With. If LimeWire is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the LVD file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this LVD format is causing you grief. First, removing obsolete files. LimeWire was shut down by court order in 2010, making LVD files obsolete with no current usefulness. The recommended action is to safely delete LVD files along with any remaining LimeWire installation components. Use Windows Add or Remove Programs or the equivalent system utility to uninstall LimeWire, completely removing associated files and registry entries. Next, scanning with modern antivirus. Run a comprehensive antivirus scan using current tools like Windows Defender Malwarebytes or Bitdefender to detect any actual malware that may have been downloaded through LimeWire. Modern antivirus solutions provide far better protection than LimeWire's built-in scanning ever did with continuously updated definitions and advanced threat detection capabilities. Finally, switching to modern alternatives. Replace LimeWire with legal modern content distribution platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Netflix for music and video. For legitimate file sharing, use cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These alternatives provide safer legal content access without the malware risks associated with peer-to-peer file sharing networks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.